Hey beauties, it's Riri. This is a little Ulta haul. Before I dive in, the eyeshadows of the day are brought to you by the Calavera palette from Gourmande Girls Cosmetics. And then I topped this side with the Mandy Makeup, the Space Dust Loose Pigment. I do have affiliated codes with both brands. It's just Riri10. Mandy Makeup, you have to spend $39.99 or more. But you guys usually ask me, so that is what is on my eyes today. I love it. It's beautiful. Anyways, we'll dive into my little Ulta purchase. I originally went on there. I did like a What's Up in Makeup anti-haul thing for my second tier channel members. And in that video, I talked about getting some of the new, like the honey lip glosses from Maybelline. That's the reason I went over to Ulta, because I got a thing that said they had like a gift with purchase, and that's generally when I'll shop. Y'all, I got everything other than the Maybelline lip gloss I anticipated getting. Anyways, first up I got this Starface Star Cream and Salicylic Acid. That is actually for my son. And anytime I see that it's on sale, or if I'm making a purchase, maybe I have points or whatever the case may be, or if I get a notification that, hey, we got some gift with purchase, I tend to make a purchase. But he uses this and he loves it. We are going on family vacation at the end of the month, so I decided to go ahead and pick that up for him. Next up, also for my son, is the Starface Star Wash and Salicylic Acid. Again, he uses both of these and he really likes them, so I got those for him. I also picked him up a little mini of the Mighty Patch Duo. And I want to just have something nice to take to him. You know, we only see each other every couple to few months or so, so when I do see him, I like to give him a little something. Next up, this is also for my son, but I may go through here and kind of pick out a couple products for myself too, but this was freaking $20, you guys. It is the Curly Essential Set. It's an 11-piece sampler kit, and it's got tons of different ones. Some of these are our favorites, but I'm also seeing some that I haven't tried. So I got this mostly for him, but I may pick myself a couple of products out of here. That bag and stuff is really nice too. Like I could see, obviously I don't think he would use this, but like I could see myself using this as like a standard makeup bag or something like that. And then I do have pretty wavy hair, so I do like to use curl products and things that kind of help tame the frizz. If you know, you know. And he's got very ramen noodle soup curly hair, okay y'all? So I picked that up also for him. Next up, for myself, I picked up the e.l.f. Holy Strokes Micro Fine Brow Pen. I got the shade Dark Brown. Hopefully this works for me. It's supposed to be light, buildable pigment, which I love, waterproof and smudge resistant, and a micro fine tip. And y'all know brow products and mascaras are like my most used, most gone through, most repurchased, all the things. Like these brows, y'all, they ain't mine. They come out of a pen or a marker or a crayon or a pencil, y'all. So I picked that up. Let me know if you've tried this. I would love to know. Along that same lines, of course, I love mascara. I picked up the Milani Highly Rated Lash Extensions Tubing Mascara in black. I've heard nothing but rave reviews about this, you guys. So I'm really excited about that as well. Next up, and this looks broken, or maybe it's just not as big as it's supposed to be in here. Kind of strange. But I wanted to compare this to another shade that I have. This is from the Ulta Beauty collection. It is the single eyeshadow in the shade Disco Queen. They are made in the US. Yeah, you can already see it. Do you see how small that is? And then while I kind of shake it into the pan, it doesn't actually fit the pan. If you've tested these or purchased these, can you let me know if they're supposed to be like that? Like, it rocks in there. And I'm almost positive it should actually fit the pan, right? Right? But yeah, incredibly affordable. And if this is a little doopity-doop, then I'm probably going to get some more of these, because y'all know I have spent upwards of $25 for one eyeshadow before. So I'm really excited about that as well. I also picked up from Milani the Clean Start Prep Step. This is a hypochlorous acid facial mist. Also affordable, also drugstore pricing. Love the component, by the way. Like, I love this whole vibe. But if you know, you know, the Tower 28 SOS Rescue Spray, and I've tried quite a few of these different hypochlorous sprays. This is like $28. I've repurchased and repurchased and repurchased. I have minis that I purchase and keep in my overnight bag. This isn't quite as large as this, so I'd have to kind of comparatively see you know, how much was this per ounce, yada yada. But if you have rosacea, a lot of redness, sensitive skin, reactive skin like your girl does, I love this product right here. So I'm hoping this does the same thing. All the other ones I've tried I did not like, so I'm hoping I love this. Then instead of getting the Maybelline one, I kind of talked trash about this. I'll tell you why in a second. But instead of opting for that, I know and love this formula. I'm actually wearing one today. I picked up the Fenty Beauty one, the brand new Gloss Bomb Universal Lip Luminizer in the Mango Margs. And in that members video, I was like, you know what, y'all? If that was any other scent or like flavor profile, I'd get it. Because mango, fresh mangoes, juicy, ripe, fresh mangoes, delicious. Mango in a smoothie where it's the most original form, the most pure form of mango, I love. But mango things like mango candies, I don't like the way they smell. I hate the scent. But I loved the color so much online, you guys, that I was like, you know what? I'm gonna risk it for the biscuit because it's gorgeous. Today on my lips is the Fenty Beauty, the Miss Jellyfish. Hopefully that's what that says. I do not have my glasses on, sorry y'all. But I have this one on today. It's kind of just the vibes of like my eye makeup and stuff like that. I might wipe this off. Let me get my hair out of my way. I do want to see kind of how this smells. These smell incredible. They have a little bit of weight to them. I really, really enjoy this formula a lot. So while I was shopping, I was like, you know what? I don't really need the Maybelline one and this one. If I'm going to spend the extra on this, then I won't opt to get the Maybelline one. So if it smells good, I'm going to be in heaven, and I love the color of this. Ooh, okay. It actually, to me, kind of smells more sherbety, peachy. That's nice. That's real nice. Ooh, actually has a little bit of tint to it too. And this one is a gloss bomb. This one is an oil. So just to kind of notate that for you guys. And then with all of this stuff, I got a free gift with purchase. And I have not tried a whole lot from About Face. I did like their liquid lip, and I can't remember what else I had. I definitely had something else, but I don't remember what it was. But they had a free 4-piece full-size products, you guys, or 5-piece set. All of this was free, all 5 items. So I got the About Face Shadow Stick Pearly Eyeshadow Stick in Miracle Mimosa. I got the Matte Fix Lip Pencil in the shade Shameless. I also got the Cherry Pick Lip Color Butter in the shade Guava Crush. I also got the Line Artist Longwear Gel Eyeliner in Blue is the New Black. I love their packaging, by the way. And then the last thing I got is a matte fluid eye paint in the shade Dionysus. So yeah, I honestly, y'all, I couldn't resist all 5 of these full-size products. For the products I was already gonna get my son his stuff, I went on there for Maybelline, ended up with Fenty, you know, it's okay. And then I saw this and I was like, holy crap, where has this been? I don't know if it's a brand new item, but I've never seen it before. I'm extremely excited for that. And then of course I wanted to pick up a little set for my son. So yeah, that is my little Ulta haul. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider subscribing and give the video a thumbs up. It really does help me so much as a creator. I'm on the path, you guys, on the road to get to 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year. I can only do that, of course, with your help. And in saying that, thank you. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you for being supportive. Thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. Thank you to my beautiful channel members. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.